As new international students in PEN-GSE, we sometimes encounter problems caused by the different perception and value of time. This video aims to help new international graduate students be aware of the roots of those differences and adapt to the new community. We believe that people from different cultures have different concepts of time, which can lead to struggles when entering a new cultural environment. People from a monochromatic time system perceive time as segmented, precise, small units, and tasks are neatly distributed so they can complete one task at a time. Under this system, time tends to be scheduled, arranged, and managed, whereas a polychronic time system is a system where several things can be done at once, and a more flexible approach is taken to scheduling time. As newcomers of this community of practice, we seek to discover ways to establish our legitimacy by observing and adapting to the rules and conventions about time management of this new community. Now you will see second-year students from ICC and TESOL program sharing their experiences and perspectives about this issue.
So I'm from Canada, which is not very far from here, and I guess it would probably align with the American model of time. So I don't notice like a huge amount of differences. I'm from the East Coast, where there are not very many big cities, and so it is like slightly more relaxed than most places in North America. There's sort of a different.
I think people in Germany and in the US perceive time pretty similarly, but when it comes to the academic environment, so my life as a student in Germany and my life as a student here at GSE, I have to say that time flies. I have so much to do, and that is different to my life back in Germany.
Right. Like for me, there's not such a huge difference, but I would say there are definitely like differences between my home country and here. For here, more used to have this like multitask thing, like doing several stuff at the same time.
I do perceive that people at GSE are pretty busy, but in culture, I agree that people view time more flexibly.
Doing the acting when I was writing some papers, and then just go onto the internet to doing research, and you just open several windows and stuff like that, and it's like so many things going on, and then somehow you just see like some interesting fact on Wikipedia, and then you start reading that and click another page, click another page, and then you didn't even know how did I end up in this part of the area while I was doing this task.
First experience of studying here, I remember once I submitted one homework late. I was busy finishing it. I tried to finish it before midnight, 12 o'clock, but I have to. Yeah, it actually lasted longer than I expected. I want to finish writing what I want to say about it. So I submitted maybe 1 hour late. Okay, not 1 minute late. Another occasion, I remember I was late for a job interview because I didn't plan enough time to get to the.
So as a graduate student, you do have to spend a lot of time just like with yourself, reading and thinking and writing. So it can help to like do so in like public spaces or like common areas. That always like makes you feel like you're part of something bigger.
Google Calendar, so I can have my calendar everywhere with me. It's on my cell phone and it's on my computer, so I can check my calendar every second I want to. And the other big thing I did was I made a to-do list.
There is some specific term, and I forgot the English term for that, but people tend to wait until the last to do works.
Procrastinate.
That word, and I still don't know how to pronounce that. But in order to avoid that, you have to actually schedule the time to do the work ahead.
I think when in Rome, do as the Romans do, so we gradually learned to keep the time limit and the time expectation.